GoPro shut down.
What's up?
Should we take it back? Alright, we got a little ATV drama. You want to take it back, Dale, and get in the side-by-side? So is it just not going very fast?
No, I can only drive it in the low gear.
Oh, really?
If I go into high gear, it goes in and goes, but then it just won't take its gas.
Slipping?
It's not getting it, eh?
Slipping. Is it belt drive or is it...
It's a belt drive, yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm saying. I'm trying to get
That's okay. What do you think? Diagnosis, Chris?
That thing needs a good running.
Yeah.
Needs a shit burnt out of it.
Why don't you just light it up a little bit, Dale?
Let Chris all in.
What?
They'll get off. Let Chris all in. Let them.
Hey, Dale, do you want me to get on it and kind of drive it a little faster to see if it helps or what?
What's that? Well, I don't want to. I got to gauge.
What's the heat at?
What?
Oh, 190 is pretty high, actually.
What's that?
That's kind of high. That's engine heat? Let me see. That looks kind of high, actually.
No, it's not on. No, it's not on red.
Where's red?
190. That's not very much.
Yeah. So when you put it into high gear,
It bogs.
you have bad gas, you think?
No, because in low it's fine. I put in low, you know.
Because I can get on it and drive it in high if you want just to get, maybe that's
I can get it in high, but then you can just
feel it.
you
How do you drive it a little bit in high, and then what happens?
dying on me, right? I put it in low gear, no problem.
There's no choke on it.
What? Choke right here.
It's either that or your belt.
I think it's the belt. I'm guessing you got.
Could be slipping or...
High, you know, it's not. I put it low and raise up, no problem at all. That's what the belt will dry out.
So how fast can you go?
Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah. That's
Oh,
my
don't try to camera me. He said it only goes in the low.
Yeah, I don't think we can wait for you all day. So I don't know what. Like,
Can you say mutiny?
I think you could park it off here. We'll come back and then just jump in the green, maybe. Because it'll take us like 5 hours.
Where are you going to?
Well, we're going to Millbrook and back, and it's gonna take a while.
Why don't you just pull her over and take the key, and then what do you want to do?
Just jump in the green.
And we'll come get you on the way back.
No.
Then we'll drive by and get it on the way back. I'll just put it right, see where Sean is? Put it right to the side of there. Put it to the side of there. You guys do that out here, Troy?
On the road somewhere. Just find a nice little spot.
Don't come steal it. Yeah, I just put it up there, then you can jump in with us.
See how it's
Yeah, it doesn't sound good, yeah.
And then you put it low and it doesn't.
Huh.
It
Yeah.
the motor.
Yeah. Well, me and Chris can look at it and come back. Might be able to take it apart and just have a look at the belt.
Put it up here.
Okay. I just put it right up there, maybe by the sun.
Go ahead. I'll go down the rod camp. That's all right. That's it. Going. I'll go to the rod camp. Oh yeah, not a problem at all. Not far from here, so, okay?
All right, ATV drama. So we're having some ATV issues.
Is he parking it?
He's gonna take it down to his friend's camp, he said. And yeah, looks up here. And then gonna take it down to the camp. And then we're gonna dick around more.
Don't be this slow. We can't wait for you.
Troy goes full like what was that movie? No, it's something of the, you know, where they're all out in the jungle or whatever. it's called. Troy's like, we can't wait for you, you're too slow. We're gonna have to shoot you. Alright. Well, we got some ATV drama. Oh yeah, Troy doing some. Chris, don't smoke when you drive. Oh, I gotta go up there and get Troy.
Oh, dang it.
Took a Troy. Troy's doing some directing. Troy, do the thing with your arms again.
You didn't want to leave it?
He's gonna go back and go down the rod.
What?
Troy drives up and goes, you're too slow, man. We can't wait for you. Get going.
All right, you go.
Put your helmet on.
Start telling me what to do. I'm a director now. What do you expect? You need.
Helmet, seatbelt.
Stand down, Peter. You hold the camera. Look at Troy. Gotta get that. Come on, Pete. I think they want to know about it. Do some go ATV. Bump, Peter, bump. Oh. I got summer on my mind. Oh, oh, that's a good pedal up there. Hit it, hit it. Yeah, hit it. Woo.
You just have to let me know to stay dry or not.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I'll put other things. I'm thinking we could drive right through there.
I don't want you to drop that thing.
I'm fucking warm, actually. Good choice. Breathe down. You having a beer break? Beer? Beer break? Beer break? You having a beer break here or what? Beer break?
Someplace better.
Oh, okay.
You haven't gone anywhere.
Okay, that's great.
What do we gonna have a beer break here soon or what? I'm working too hard. Tell us, Troy.
What?
Beer break? Here, watch that one. Oh, I wonder I come home my fucking kids in that thing. If I was driving an ATV, I'd be going through that though.
Want to go to that?
Oh, yeah, maybe. On an ATV, I would. Hit it. Woo! Oh!
TV?
Yeah.